Hello everyone, welcome back to CCNA Learner YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to implementation basic configuration on Palo Alto. Okay, right here we have three steps. Step one, configure NTP and configure login banner, and the last one is permit IP address for the management access to the Palo Alto firewall. Okay, the first one we need to configure NTP. We go to device, service, and then you click on the gear icon to configure the DNS and update server, and then configure NTP. Okay, you can click on the NTP and you can configure NTP server. Right here I use the createpool.ntp.org. This is the NTP server that I configure on the Palo Alto firewall in my lab. Okay, we click OK. And then step 2, we need to configure login banner. This means when you log in on the firewall, you can see the warning message to the user. Yes, this is go to the management general setting, and then you can configure hostname. Right here I use lab01 and domain lab.local. You can use the hostname and the domain, whatever you want. And then right here, this is the login window. When someone or access to your device, it has a warning on the firewall to warn the user unauthorized access. Yes, for the warning message, you can put not follow my video right here. You can configure your own warning message. Okay, after we configure all, you need to configure longitude. For the configure longitude right here, I use 104.91601. This is the latitude that I configure in the general setting right here, and then you click OK. Okay, the three step, right? Configure permit IP address access to firewall. This means that only the IP in the permit address that can access to your firewall using the management interface. This is the my management interface on Palo Alto firewall. For the administrative management service, I have allow HTTPS, SSH, and ping. This is the service that I enable. Okay, to permit the IP address access to your firewall using the management IP address, you click on the tab Add to add the IP address with the subnet mask to allow using the access to your firewall using management interface, right? And this is the IP address that I use to permit access to the Palo Alto firewall. If the other user using different the subnet, the it's really nice. So the right here I allow all the subnet masks because the PC is randomly DHCP address. That is why I allow /24. And we can add description with the IP address range used for. Right here I use for the admin access. Okay, after we config, you click OK. Let me show you about my IP address that I set to the firewall. And my PC is the ACP, right? Yes, using Wi-Fi and VM adapter using Wi-Fi. That is why the IP randomly change. That is why I allow full subnet /24. And this is for the VMnet subnet that I allow also. Yeah. Okay, after you change all, and you need to commit to force firewall uh, about the configuration that we have config for upframe change, right? Okay, we can wait for the status successful commit, right? So after that, you can try to test login, and can also check the warning message on the firewall, right? When you log in. Okay, right here I access to the Palo Alto firewall, and then you see the warning message that I have set in the previous time, right? Unauthorized access is prohibited to warn the user when user access to this firewall. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you for the next video. And one more thing, if you think the video is helpful for you, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and hit button our